Fastener Fair Live's 15 Minutes with Expert series. Today we have with us Mr. Mohan Singh, Director of SAM International. To give a small introduction, SAM International is a trading company in India and doing trading of fasteners, machine tooling and optical sorting machines for the fasteners. I would say that we'd like to hear more about this company from Mr. Singh. So welcome Mr. Singh for our Fastener Fair Live with the Expert series.
Thank you, Shekali.
So, sir, tell us more about your company and the products, and how are you coping in this current scenario of the COVID situation?
Well, you have already introduced my company. My company is SAM International Private Limited. Basically, we are the trading house of fasteners related machines, products, raw material, tooling, and I can say this is a complete fastener solution under one roof. We are importing machines from Taiwan, Japan, Germany, and some other countries also, and supplying to our India customers. But the current situation is very volatile. I can say because of this Chinese virus, I should say, market is completely in a bad situation. So how can I say that how to improve this situation? But like our government is trying to give some benefit to the MSME sectors, to the industries, to the customers who are importing from the other countries other than the Chinese countries, China, and like this, I think we will move forward very soon.
As you said about the Taiwan and also you, how are you currently? Because I can understand your principal companies, they are not traveling, and also is it something which is really affecting you, or it's that the business is going on, or how it is?
Yes, of course. Now little bit started, the India is now open. Some of the customers are open. They are doing very good now, just because of the Diwali. Just because of the Diwali, I think our industry is now going upwards. So now we are importing also from Taiwan. Taiwan is not a big problem. Problem is wherever the customer in around the world, they don't have a requirement right now. So Taiwan is doing good. They don't have any this problem of virus. But the other country to whom they are supplying, they are suffering from the virus. So now our country, I think our country start up again, and they started making products. Every fastener company started making products. So I think very soon we will come on the track. But whatever before the COVID period, and now the international flights are not running, so the situation is still there. If we are going to organize something in India, but if the foreigners is not coming, if the machine is not coming, if any visitors is not coming, then there is no point of conducting any kind of marketing show or something like that. But now India started, so I think by end of the October, November, it will be streamlined, and will be in a very good position. The another thing is there are chances of growing very fast because of some of the foreign companies who shifted their office from China to India, and there are so many other companies also shifting. And some companies shifted Vietnam, some company going to shift in India, maybe Chennai, maybe North India. So we have a very good future in this field. We will get definitely very good business in future.
I think it's really a good, wonderful thing, because course, everyone has seen a very bad phase, I would say, with this COVID situation. But definitely, as we all know, the things would keep on changing, and as you rightly said, surely everything would be streamlined maybe by end of October or November. But it's really good to know that the industry will be back in track and in a very good shape because of the international companies coming in India. So, as you were mentioning about the government initiatives, so how do you overall assess? What was your assessment on this situation and how the government initiatives about this Atmanirbhar Bharat? So, will that also help to put the growth back on the track?
Yes, I think Atmanirbhar Bharat, that means our government made clear to Indian industries that you try to make the product in India, don't depend on the China and other countries. Atmanirbhar Bharat means we have to make within the India whatever, and that's the reason I'm telling you we will improve very soon our production capacity and everything, because we have a chance now to export in a Europe market also. Earlier, the requirement of Europe was feeding by the China. So now, I think we have the good chance to take that share in India for export. For export, we have a very good chance to increase our export from India to Europe and even Asian countries also, like Japan, Taiwan, and because India has a very good potentiality, but the thing is this: China, we cannot compete with the Chinese product rate. So India government made an initiative that Atmanirbhar Bharat. In that, Indian government is giving the benefit to the Indian manufacturers. They are giving rebate in custom duty, and they are giving some financial help support to the customer. So means the small customer, if they want to grow up, the financial support is coming through MSME, and there are a lot of other chances are there which we have to we are going to get from the government. So this is a good chance for export, especially for export. This is a good chance.
Really a good initiative what the government has taken, and I think this Atmanirbhar Bharat would definitely boost our economy because of, as you rightly said, with the export market, and especially with the Europeans. I think this should really be very helpful if we have got a very good export from the majorly with the Europe. So let's hope that the initiative taken by the government would really boost the economy and the industry overall, not only with the faster but across the industry, because I'm sure each and every industries are connected with each other. So I think that should help.
Not only in automotive, there are many other sectors also. If you go to electronic industries, our electronic industry is spoiled by the China's toys industry. Because of the China, we are not going to grow up if China is still in our life. Right from the morning to the evening, we are using, I think, 90% of Chinese product. So that product, if we are going to make in India, we have a Make in India project also. If government is giving support, financial support, and so many other supports. So if we do, then only we can grow up. And another thing is this. How we can grow, we can beat China, because we have to eliminate China product from our life. And when we can eliminate it, like we have a lights, we have a fasteners, we have many other products. We before banning Chinese product, that we have to have our own resources. So we don't have a resources. Now government come up with the Atmanirbhar Bharat. In that they are supporting customers, they are supporting Indian manufacturers, and that's the main what I can say, main fact of this Atmanirbhar Bharat, that if they support Indian manufacturers, definitely we will increase resources in India and try to export the things like China was doing to India and other countries.
So I guess yes, definitely a lot of things would change with that. So how do you see
Yeah,
trade shows like Fasteners Fair also help in enabling the industry growth?
of course, partners will help, but the thing is this: at this time, if you organize at this moment, I think it is really difficult to help because nobody is going to come. Everybody love their life. Okay.
No, no, definitely true.
No,
I was just
I
wondering overall
don't
with
think
the
so. Huh? Say
no,
again.
I'm saying like overall with the exhibition industry. I mean overall not for this situation, but otherwise, how is the trade show helping the industry to grow?
Of course, trade show is always helpful for the industry because every time we are introducing new technology, new type of machines, new development. What is happening with the manufacturer and that's come to India. They are displaying the machines, showing to the Indian customer. And India is the growing country, the underdevelopment country. They adopt the any innovation comes in the machines or in the fasteners. So it is good if there is a fastener show or any kind of show. So this is the one of the right the things to share the technology. So definitely show should arrange, but we should see the situation how what is the situation and current scenario how it is going.
No, no, definitely. As I mentioned earlier, also we would be taking care of all the things, and then only we will be going forward. But that is what we want to understand, like how important is the trade shows or with the face-to-face meetings wherein you could, meet up more consumers.
I should say 90-95% people learning from the trade show, from the show we organize. They get the new technology, understand that the customer speak to each other. Because if you want to get some new technology, if you can't go everywhere in the Taiwan every customers, but the show kind where you can find 10 type of or 100 type of different things in under one roof. So it is very easy for you to understand by spending your whole day with the different machines and different products. So where you can educate yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's really good to know. So definitely we will be taking care, and whenever we will be doing the show with all our safety measures, we will take care that you are really benefited with your participation with more industry updates or the more launches of the products.
Yeah.
So the next thing would like to know is how do you plan to go forward in this post-corona world?
Of course, as I told you, now we have some orders in hand. So definitely, I think after the Diwali situation will be completely all right. Now our automotive industry is growing up. They are started manufacturing cars, bikes, auto sectors also, and the major share was China for supplying fasteners and all. So now government taken initiate, like they have banned some mobile apps also. So similarly they are putting the duty chapter hike on the Chinese product like fasteners. So if there is a higher duty on the import from China, so definitely we have a good chance to grow up our industry because no one is going to pay more duty on Chinese product instead of making in India. Okay, so nobody will pay the higher duty and buy the Chinese product in place of making. I think everybody will make by their own.
You will be having your own kind of a productions and things like that going forward.
Yeah, we are also thinking to make some machines and some tooling set up at our factory in Rohtak. We have a factory in Rohtak. Of course, we are also doing, and I think there are a lot of companies. They are expanding their business with the different other product also, not only auto sectors but other sectors also, because they know that now this is the right time to expand. Because this time government helping maybe this situation will not come after 1 year. So if they want to grab some benefit from the government, it is the right time to grab it.
Good, I
So
think
I mean to say this is the right time, and of course our industry started. I discussed with many of my customers. They are saying, okay, we reach around 80%, 90%, some say 60%. So now scenario is going good way. So we hope so after Diwali it will be all right.
that's really a good thing. You know,
Yeah.
because that is a positivity what everyone is actually looking at, like
But you
how
know
the
what our yeah. But what our prime minister told to everyone, we have to live with the COVID. So of course, everybody is scared to even go out, but we have to live with it. So
that's
so now everybody knows that we have to live with it. So we have to live it.
I think, I mean, definitely we would like to see, as you said, that you would be starting with your own products and things like that. So we would
Yeah.
look forward for that thing.
Of course, we are going to
So,
put up a tooling plant. So I hope so in future, whatever we are sharing the even booth also with you, maybe we go for a bigger booth, because maybe it takes some time, but definitely we are going to do our own tooling center. And maybe in
that's
future,
great.
we are thinking to go for a machining center also.
That's really a great thing.
Yeah, and new thing we
forward
have
to that.
started. New thing we have started. We are going to export the fasteners also. You know, all the fastener. We know each and every fastener company. So we are trying to export the fasteners also. We have kept one department for fasteners also. So we are going to source in India and export it.
Really nice, actually.
Yeah.
That's really a good thing. So, just one last thing, sir. What message you would like to give to our industry colleagues and our viewers?
I should say, stop buying Chinese product and make your own product. It is the right time. Government is supporting you. Whatever you are importing from China, you should do it in your factory, and you have a good chance to export from here. And I should say, fastener fair, that you find a right time, because it's not a very small investment on it. It's a huge investment. So if you find a lot of customers, lot of suppliers under your fastener fair booth, so you should find out a good time, and definitely people will participate. And it's one of the good things that people knows new things from your fastener fair, so you should arrange it. But you need to find the right time. If there is
Sure, definitely.
no foreign suppliers, I think there would be a problem again.
No, we do understand, as I said, because we
Yeah.
need to have, since we say it's not like a local this thing, so it is an international trade show, so definitely
Yeah.
it has to have flavor of the international participation, plus the visitors as well. So we
Yeah.
will be taking care of that. For sure.
Right.
So thank you so much, Mr. Singh. It was really nice to have you on our platform, and we look forward for your more inputs going forward, and we will be in touch with you. So thank you once again for this your time. So.
Thank you so much, Yatali. Thank you so much, and I wish my best wishes for Fastener Fair, upcoming Fastener Fair. Maybe in the October month we may not participate, but definitely next year we will participate. So my best wishes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And see you all soon again with our next expert in the Fastener Fair Live 15 Minutes with Expert series. Thank you so much.